Today I am taking up some problems on multiplicative inverse. Yesterday I had given a little bit introduction on multiplicative inverse. Now today I will learn in multiplicative inverse with problem. Here is there is a question here. Question number 1. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? Now, how to solve this one properly? Here, the given number is minus 1 by 8, or we can say 9 by 8. Now I have to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8. Right? 9 by 8 into reciprocal of the given number multiplied by the reciprocal of the given number minus 9 by 8. Nine by 8 into minus 8 by 9. Now after cancellation 8, 9, we will get 1. That means it is proved. So, multiplicative inverse of the given number minus 1 by 8 is minus 8 by 9. Now look at this. Here there was a minus sign, but in multiplicative inverse there will be no change in sign. Only the numerator and denominator will be reversed. You will have to see this one. Take up next question. This is the second question on the same topic. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3? Why or why not? This question I have taken from NCERT book, page number 14, question number 9. Page 14 and question number 9 from NCERT book. Now, the original number you have to find out. You have been asked that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of this or not. That is, the original number or the given number is 1 by 3. The given number is here. The given number is 1 by 3. That is 10 by 3. Now we have to find out what is the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. 10 by 3 multiplied by the reciprocal of 10 by 3. Now it will come 10 by 3 into 3 by 10. So after cancelling, we will get 1. So it is proved that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of the given number 1 by 3. 3.0 now 3 by 10 or 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Here is the third question on the same topic, multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 8 into minus 7 by 13. Now, you see, there are two rational numbers here. Minus 3 by 8 is 1 and second is minus 7 by 13. Two rational numbers. Now, you'll have to solve it and to find out the single rational number. Then we can proceed towards multiplicative inverse. Otherwise, we can't. Minus 3 by 8 into minus 7 by 13. 3 by 8 into minus 7 by 13. 2104. We get a single rational number. Now we can proceed for the multiplicative inverse of this number. Now 21,104 into reciprocal of the same number, 21 divided by 104. 21 by 104 into 104 by 21. So after cancelling all this, we will get 1. So we can say that 104. So 104 by 21 is the multiplicative inverse of 21 by 1 is your fourth question. Find the sum of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 9. First of all, we will find out additive inverse of 9, then multiplicative inverse of 9. Additive inverse of 9. Additive inverse of 9. You know, for additive inverse of 9, it is positive. We will have to add with negative sign of the same number. That is 9 plus add किया है, additive add किया है with negative of the same number. It becomes 0. So it is proved that minus 9 is the additive inverse of positive 9. Next, multiplicative inverse of 9. Here, 9 into reciprocal of 9, 1 by 9. is the multiplicative inverse of 9. That is reciprocal. Here you can observe, you can see in the additive inverse it will be minus, but here there is no change in sign, only number is reciprocated. As per question, here we have been asked sum of these two things. Now minus 9, additive inverse of minus 9, additive inverse of 9 is minus 9 plus multiplicative inverse of 9 is 1 by 9. Minus 81 plus 1 divided by 9, it comes 80 by 9. That means minus 8 by 9. This is your fifth question. Here we have been asked, find out the product of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 7. First, we will find out the additive inverse of minus 3 by 7. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 plus with positive sign of the same number, that is 3 by 7 equal to 0. So we have found 3 by 7 is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 7. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 7 is 3 by 7. Now multiplicative inverse. Inverse of minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 should be multiplied with the same number but with reciprocal. Minus 1 by 3 by 7. It will come out as like this. Minus 3 by 7 into minus 7 by 3. After cancellation, we will get 1. So, multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 7 is minus 7 by 3. Now, as per question, we have to multiply these two things. This with this and with this. Minus 3 by 7 into minus 7 by 3. That means answer is minus 1.